Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Speed Art, and we are back in the magical world of Photoshop. Today I'm going to be showing you guys another attempt at speed art. If you watched my first video, which was called Why I Suck at Fantasy Art, you know exactly what I'm getting at. Basically, I've been trying to do different things to challenge myself, push myself in a different direction that I don't usually go in. And today's just another example. I have a quick little video for you guys here where I just take a regular stock image like this and I turn it into something like this. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.